say this is first exponent and this is second exponent. Now I will see what happen if I divide these two exponent. Now the meaning of this is 7 to the power 5 and 7 to the power 3. Now you will see I will write this 7 how many times? You know, 5 times. And in the denominator I will write this 7 how many times? That is 3 times. As the rule of fraction, we see which common factors are here. You will see 1, this 7 will cancel with this one, and this with this, and this with this. Now what is left with? Now we are left with 7 into 7. 7 into 7, that is 7 is here 2 times, therefore I can write 7 2 and its answer will be 49. Now you will see in these both exponent the bases are same and the operation is applied between two is division. Okay, now I will take another example. In this case 7 cube, that is divided by 7 5. Now see what will happen here. Its meaning is 7 cube is divided by 7 to the power 5. Now this implies 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 how many times? 3 times, and 7 up to 5 times. Now here we will see that which common factor may be cancelled. I will cancel the 3 common factors. These are divisible by 1, 1, 1. Now 1 multiply 1, that is 1, and 7 multiply 7, I will write this. So I can write it like 7 square, that is 1 by 49. Okay students, now I will take the third condition when the bases are same and their powers are also same. I take it 7 5 divided by 7 to the power 5. Now basically we know that if we divide the same number with the same number, then the answer is 1. But we will adopt the proper procedure here. So 7 7 7 7 and 7. Its meaning is this, that I have to write 7 in the multiplication form up to 5 times, and same as in the denominator. Okay, now you will see here each 7 is cancelling the each 7 in the numerator and the denominator. So on cancelling 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, I will get 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1, that is 1, 1 by 1, that is a 1. Okay, now observe these 3 very carefully. In all these, the bases, in the first 2 the bases are same and the operation is division. Now if the bases are same, see, if the bases are same, then the answer is this is 5 power, this is 3 power. Then here we see that the answer is 7 to the power 2. It means we can write it 5 minus 3, that is 7 square, that will be 49. Here we see 7 cube divided 7 5, and here I am writing 1 by 7, 5 minus 3, that is 1 by 7 square, that is here. Okay, and here 7 power 5, 7 power 5 divided, that is 5 and 5, that is 5 minus 5, it means 7 to the power 1, but here the answer is 1. So I can say that this equal to 1. I come to know that if any base is having the power 0, then it is equal to 1. Clear? As we see here. Also, we come to know by observing this pattern that if the bases are same and we are dividing them, then we will subtract their powers. Okay? Here and here. If the lowest power is divided by the highest power, then the answer will be in reciprocal form. But if the highest power is divided by the lowest power, then we write it as in normal form. Okay. So this was the second rule of the exponent, that if we divide two exponents having same base, then we will subtract their powers. And also come to know that if the power is 0 in any exponential form, then it is equal to 1. Clear? That's it.